The emerging trend of embracing a peaceful living on wheels within a stunning, tiny house with serene vibes signals a significant societal shift. It represents a powerful, countercultural yearning for autonomy, a release from conventional financial burdens, and a closer, more meaningful interaction with the natural world. These meticulously engineered micro-dwellings fundamentally challenge the long-held assumption that a reduced footprint inevitably translates into a compromise on comfort or quality of life. Instead, they stand as tangible proof of a deliberate commitment to elevate personal experiences and environmental responsibility above material accumulation and excess consumption. Moreover, their design cleverly facilitates a genuine personal retreat, a complete sanctuary that possesses the extraordinary capacity to effortlessly relocate with its occupants, essentially removing all geographical limitations from their daily existence. Constructed upon heavy-duty, custom trailers, the innate portability of these residences grants their owners the remarkable privilege of waking up to an entirely new and inspiring panorama on a whim. Whether they choose the hushed calm of a dense forest floor or the breathtaking expanse of a high altitude, look out! Thereby affording an unparalleled dimension of personal freedom and endless opportunity for adventure. The undeniable allure and stunning aesthetic of these specialized tiny houses often stem from a masterful integration of organic materials, a carefully curated palette of warm tones, and an extraordinary flood of ambient light. Every thoughtful architectural component is intentionally crafted to function in perfect concert, thus generating an atmosphere of profound and unwavering tranquility that actively dispels any lurking sensation of being cramped or restricted. Numerous examples feature expanded over-width dimensions and dramatically elevated ceiling heights, a visual strategy that immediately imbues the interior with an airy, expansive feeling that cleverly belies its actual minimal square footage. Crucially, the strategic placement of expansive windows serves to effectively dissolve the structural boundary between the interior space and the outside environment, deeply immersing the residents in the surrounding landscape and maximizing the infusion of natural illumination. Furthermore, the interiors themselves are frequently elevated by bespoke elements, showcasing one-of-a-kind, handcrafted millwork, charming vintage-style appliances, and the deliberate placement of living greenery and earthy textures, all of which collectively forge a home environment that is simultaneously deeply cozy, richly character-filled, and undeniably original. Adopting a peaceful existence on wheels transcends the mere ownership of an attractive dwelling. It fully embraces a paradigm of highly intentional and profoundly sustainable living. The individuals who have constructed or commissioned these remarkable tiny homes, particularly the self-built achievements frequently showcased in online tours, exemplify extraordinary personal resourcefulness and sheer determination. A significant number of these structures are built with a core focus on ecological responsibility, often including advanced off-grid solar systems, efficient composting toilet facilities, and compact yet effective wood-burning heating solutions. This resulting drastically reduced ecological impact, combined with notably lower initial construction and ongoing maintenance expenses,